Hello. Today, I'm really excited to speak with you about an awesome tool that you have available to you as a student at the Community College of Rhode Island. The resource is called MyMajors, and it's a self-assessment tool offered to you by the Career Services Office at CCRI. Before we jump in, I want to make sure that you are aware that you are not alone in your career development journey. You have an abundance of resources available to you offered by the Career Services team at CCRI, and the team is there to help you and stand by you and support you through this journey. Here you'll see a picture of a pyramid depicting 3 steps of career development. The foundation of the pyramid is self-assessment. Self-assessment can be broken into what we call VIPs. Values, interests, personality, and skills. MyMajors takes and synthesizes your VIPs and provides you with critical information regarding possible selections of academic and career pathways that match your VIPs at CCRI. There are 7 career and academic pathways at CCRI that you can select from, and MyMajors works to support you in that decision-making process. For more detailed information on the 7 CCRI academic and career pathways, visit www.ccri.edu/pathways. MyMajors is quick and easy. Registration takes only a couple of minutes, and the assessment itself takes about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Here you'll see the steps that you go through while you're working on MyMajors. The assessment considers your interests, time commitments, financial aspirations, and your work style in addition to academics to find the right fit for you. Using MyMajors, you'll get to explore all the different programs that interest you at CCRI, including information about possible job outcomes, salaries, career growth outlooks, and more. You'll see here on the steps of MyMajors, I've added a number 6, which is work with the CCRI Career Services team. Use a self-assessment and then connect with the team to further discuss your results and support you in determining next steps along your way. Reach out and contact CCRI Career Services. Contact us by email at careerservices@ccri.edu. Visit our website at www.ccri.edu/career services. From there, you'll find the CCRI MyMajors login site. Give MyMajors a try. Check it out, and if you have any questions along the way, do not hesitate to reach out to us. We look forward to supporting you now and throughout your entire career at the Community College of Rhode Island. Wishing you all the best.